Strategies to promote self-regulated learning in online environments. Chapter 8. Bruce Harris, Reinhard Lindner, Anthony Pina. Presentation by Benjamin. Greetings. Upon completion of the session, the learner should be able to 1. Define the term self-regulated learning, 2. Identify the 3 components of the self-regulated model, and 3. List examples of strategies that can be incorporated into online courses. Self-regulated learning is the ability of the learner to exercise intentional, proactive control over learning-related outcomes. The chapter provides information pertaining to several strategies and techniques found to be successful for promoting self-regulated learning. The self-regulated learning model has 3 main components: executive processing, cognition processing, and motivation. Executive processing: goal setting and planning, self-monitoring, and self-evaluation. Goal setting and planning: the learner should set specific goals. Grade or score expected upon completion of the class, skills to be obtained, and knowledge acquired. In addition, the learner should create an action plan. The action plan should include a completion of project before a due date, possibly joining study groups, and review sample assignments. This illustration provides an idea of what an action plan should look combined with the goals. On top, you notice the goal to achieve a grade of an A in the course. In the action plan, number 1, 50% of the course grade is based on completion of assignments. And it continues. Very specific. Self-monitoring. Use prompts. Some of the prompts have no response. Some have a response. This example here is a prompt that does not require a response. This example here is a prompt that requires a response. Stop and reflect. Self-evaluation. Some of the effective techniques for learners are to keep up with the quantitative progress, self-tests and self-quizzes when available for them to take, and to follow the rubrics. Quantitative progress: once grades are posted, learners should periodically check the grades for exams, quizzes, assignments, as noted on the screen. In addition, when available, learners should take self-tests and self-quizzes. They should not be graded, and they should look like an actual test or quiz, mainly for practice and determine readiness. Rubrics. Learners should check the rubric to determine the criteria set up by the instructor and self-evaluate work. Cognitive processing. Control of the learning environment, organizational strategies, and elaboration. Control the learning environment. Distraction-free study environment, no noise, no traffic, and technical support venues, be aware of the help desk in case that they need technical support. Organizational strategies. Learners should be able to outline content, do concept mappings, and use graphic organizers. Visuals. Elaboration. Learners should be able to expand beyond the textbook using DVDs, contact experts, go to the library, and do internet searches. In addition, they should do reflections, what they have learned, and experiences. Motivation, self-efficacy, self-motivation, and volition. Learners should exercise a level of confidence in performing tasks. They should be reminded of past successes and how they overcame challenges. If needed, a private discussion board should be created so there can be a private conversation between the instructor and the learner. Volition. Learners to exercise a degree of resolve and accomplish goals. It will be beneficial if there's brief testimonials from other learners that they can review, learn, and observe. Review. Self-regulated learning model has three components: executive processing, cognition, and motivation. Executive processing, three strategies: goal setting and planning, self-monitoring, self-evaluation. Cognitive processing, control the learning environment, organization strategies, elaboration. Motivation, self-efficacy, self-motivation, and volition. Thank you. Sources.